Hello everyone, this is Mahdi Hassan from Tech and Mahdi and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can find the perfect hashtags for your Instagram account. Everybody knows that hashtag is very important for growing an Instagram account, so we should know how we can find some best hashtags for our niche. Okay, so if you are a marketer, like you are doing CPM marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and you want to grow your Instagram account, you can use this trick for growing your account. This is gonna be very helpful for you. At first, log into your Instagram account. Then the first tip is find out the hashtag manually, because you are not a robot, you are a human, and you can read the mind of human, the psychology of a human. So find out yourself. Spy on your competitor, number two. And spying on your competitor is very important, because one of my account for cat niche, so search on cat. When you search cat, right, cat, you can find many other cat related page here, so just open it. Also search hashtag cat. Okay, so hashtag cat, the lot of hashtag here. You can generate idea of hashtag for cat, the cats, cat Instagrams, cat life. So this is the main broad hashtags. So click on it, and this is gonna your competitor, cat lovers club, 3.9 million followers. So they are very active on Instagram, you can see. So click on this photo, so you can find their hashtag on here. Logically their hashtag is very good, so you can spy on your competitor like that. You take some hashtag from different accounts who are ranked on top. Okay, so suppose I just copy these hashtag here and I search for cat. Here is some top post. Here's some top post, and here is some most recent post. Up and click here and take a tab. Click here and hit and open the account. 489k followers, huge. So you can follow this account. Click on one of their image and copy their hashtags. Okay, copy the hashtags and paste on a notepad. So this way you just find 50, 60, 70 hashtags. After collecting your hashtags, search on Instagram search bar like cat features, like take at least 20 to 25 hashtags for your account, and use hashtag that gets at least 100k post. Okay, there are a lot of posts here. Take some broad like 50, 100k, or 1 million, 2 million post, 5 million, 6 million post on hashtag, and take some few or small hashtag like 20k, 25k. Sometimes when you using repeatedly the same hashtags, sometimes Instagram give you some warnings. So please, when you post something, remove two hashtags or add some two extra hashtags. Choose hashtags carefully and grow your Instagram like a pro. Thank you everyone.